What's up guys, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Got a few packages here from GT Power and I thought I'd just show them all in this one video. Let's have a look at what we have here. First, we've got a container truck lighting and voice vibration system. Gives you all these different sound effects. Alarm, engine start, idling, reverse, downshifting, upshifting, air discharging, brake, turn signals, you name it. Heaps of stuff there. We also have the car engine sound simulation system. You can do up to 58 different kinds. I think I've had something very similar from this as well. Links to all these will be down below. Also have, and a couple of chargers. On that, I think they make great value chargers. GT Power chargers, I use them all the time. That's the only one I use. So I think they're different range, different variety, different price ranges. There's heaps of stuff, in my opinion, for anyone. So this is the GT Power C60 Mini. So the 6 amp, 60 watt. So it's obviously for lipos and lifeys and all that kind of stuff. For everything you need. And lastly, we have this one here. This is the 80 watt times 2. So that's a single one. This one can do 2 batteries as well. Pretty sweet stuff. So you can charge up to 80 watts for charging and charge rate up to 1.1 to 7 E. So sweet. Let's see what's in the box. Alrighty, so in the box we have our 2 balance cables there. Now obviously one plugs into the charger here and the other one plugs into these balance boards. So you can all the way 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6S batteries. Power cable, depending on your country, so that's one for me, but there we go. It's got 2 separate ones and some battery leads as well, which is really cool. So it's got Dean's plug, XT60 as well, and the old school Tamiya connection as well, and some alligator clips. Look at the unit itself. Nice construction. It's made out of plastic. It's got a little fan here on the side, keep everything cool. There's your DC power, 11 volt to 18. Temp sensor, that's interesting. That's where you plug it into the wall. And there we go. Yeah, so DC up there, AC power down there, so 100 to 240 volts. Another fan, so 2 fans on either side, which is good. And it's the same as any 4-button charger. So yeah, nice stuff. Down you plug in your balance port and your charging cable's just here. That's all it is. So won't say too much about it, but there you go. There's that one there. Looks really cool. You also do get a structure manual, so that's always handy. Now I've done very similar. I think one of my recent videos for GT Power was very similar to this one. I think it was X2 Pro. So these are all very similar. Now if we look at this other charger we have here, so this might be if someone doesn't want a larger charge like that. This one's pretty smaller, but it does the same thing as you can see. It's a 4-button charger. Fan on the side. There's your AC input just there. And also does come with your power cable and also here's your battery cables. So you plug it into the charger at the front here and it comes with one Dean's connector plugged in, ready to rock and roll. And you just directly plug in your battery balance lead right at the front there. Next up here we have the container truck lighting and voice vibration system. This one is the entry model. Now shown before on the channel, these ones, these are the container truck lighting, all that kind of cool stuff. The difference is these are the Pro model and the ESC is all inbuilt. This one you need to plug it in, but I'll show you what you get in here. So if I open it up, get a bunch of LEDs, which is awesome. Instruction manual, vibration unit here, some extra weights, or want to add some more to make it more violent if you like, and your ESC connection cables, power cable just there, and obviously the little control module just there. So all on the side here, sorry about the glare, you have your neutral, different lights. So you plug in all the lights into here. And here on the other side, you have your power, your vibration motor, your loudspeaker, and this is where you kind of plug it into the different channels, direction channel, ESC channel, and function channel. So you got input and output. Now they're also in the speaker as well, just like that. So yeah, that's what it is. It's pretty cool. Very similar to this, but an entry level, but it would get the job done if you have an ESC, you want to plug it all in. This one is kind of Bluetooth enabled, Bluetooth controlled, and has ESC all kind of built in. Instruction manuals here, pretty easy to follow. That's it. I want to show you all these quickly. Don't want to keep the videos too long, like I said. All right, lastly, bit of a spaghetti wiring here, but here we have the car engine sound. Now this does 58 different sounds. It's pretty sweet. I kind of just hooked it up, make sure everything works, and just to show you how it works. But basically, what you get, this cool little speaker. You can adjust the volume, change the mode just here. On the back there is an update port as well. So it's a nice little unit, very sturdy. The speaker does move a fair bit as well. You also do get power cable just here. It's a Dean's connector, which is nice, and you can plug the other battery in there as well at the same time, which is really good. And you get a connection here, a splice connection. So how this works, you power it up obviously with the Dean's connector. It goes into your throttle channel. So all you need to do, you find your throttle channel, always easy way to learn. 1 to turn, 2 to burn. So channel 2 is this one on this particular receiver. So what you do, the normal one for the receiver was this plug here. So what you do, you take that out, you get the connector here that you get 2 into 1. You plug that end in, you get your previous connection into this end, and your other connection for the speaker into there. And that's all it is. So plug it back into channel 2, which is your throttle, just in there. Make sure the polarity is all correct. And that's all it is. Now, gives you a little instruction manual here how to adjust everything. So for example, if you plug it all in and the throttle's idling too high, get a little calibration process there. It's really easy. Do your full position neutral, full throttle and full reverse, and that's it. But it's all just there as well. It's very easy to do. And it has another little pamphlet here of all the sounds. So it's got, as you can see, 54 of them. Well, actually more. It's got 58, it's got trucks as well. So 58 sounds there, which is pretty impressive. I wonder if you could add your own, that'd be really cool. So once that's all plugged in, obviously you can put your transmitters on, turn the your car on. Here is a G-Made over here just for testing purposes, and to turn it on, you just lift the throttle. That's it. So I'm just giving a bit of throttle. You can hear it, you can put the volume up as well. It does get really loud, and that speaker does move. So basically, I have this one on number 35. I want to change it, push and hold this. Hear the 2 beeps, and if
number 35.
It tells you 35. As you can see there, it gives you a little bit of a demo. So if I push down,
Number 34.
34 was this. Lavino, I'm not too sure what that is, but let's go to number 27, or Honda Civic.
Number 30.
Okay, nearly there.
Number 27.
So say you want to keep number 27 Honda Civic, you just push and hold this again. Long beep. Give it some gas, some throttle. Let's change this, push and hold this. I want to go number 9. It's an F1 car. So let's see what that is.
Number 19.
Number 19.
Number 15. Number 12. Number 10. Number 9.
Alright, so we're going to keep that, push and hold. Keep doing that. my standard one, the first one.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
Alright, let's use number 2. So there you go, guys. What do you guys reckon? If you're interested in any of these, links are down below. Go check it out. And if you have any questions, links down below. Cheers, guys.